Hello everyone, welcome to the course Foundations of Quantitative Techniques under IBS Induction Program. All of you may be wondering why study quants. To answer this, let's understand the objective of the course. The objective of the course is to develop an insight into the data analysis and techniques used in quantitative methods which are required to be used throughout the program and subsequently at the workplace. The course is organized into 5 sections. Section 1, Quantitative Methods and Overview, has been allotted 1 session. The topics covered here are classification, uses and limitation of quantitative methods. Section 2, Basic Mathematics and Calculus, has been allotted 3 sessions. The topics covered here are number systems, functions, equations, calculus, progressions, permutation and combinations, with focus on their application to management science. Section 3, Arranging Data, has been allotted 1 session. The topics covered here are different types of data and their representation using charts. Section 4, Measures of Central Tendency, Dispersion and Index Numbers, has been allotted 4 sessions. The topics covered here are mean, median, mode, range, standard deviation and coefficient of variation, different types of index numbers and methods of calculating them, which are widely used in business data analysis. Section 5, that is the final section, Introduction to Probability and Probability Distribution, has been allotted 3 sessions. The topics covered here are different approaches to probability, rules, type of probability distribution and their application in tactical and strategic decision making. The entire course will be covered in 12 sessions comprising of 1 hour each. The course is organized as a blend of different components including synchronous learning through online video conferencing, asynchronous learning through LMS-enabled videos, PowerPoint presentations and open education resources, evaluation through quizzes, synchronous and asynchronous. Should you need any help, you may reach me on my mail or voice coordinates shared on the IBS LMS portal. Wishing you all the very best. Have a wonderful learning experience. Thank you.